Check. Hey guys, hope all of you are doing great and we are doing NCERT solutions. And today we are gonna see, guys, page number 141 का question number 4 and 5. Guys, बहुत ही trivial सा question है, but still इसको हमने इतनी बार कर रखा है, but still we will try to do it again. Yes, guys. So yes, this is your comments which you write. Anand Kumar Sehne sir, session was amazing. I have each and every session on NCERT solutions. I'm highly grateful to you, sir. You have made biology easy and strong. Thank you, Anand. Then there is political space. You are my inspiration. You are the best. Thank you, political बातें कर दी. Guys, there's a Ask Me Anything session gonna be there. है ना बेटा? On December 31st, on NCERT 11th and 12th channel. You know Vedantu has an NCERT 11th and 12th channel. And guess who teaches biology over there? Yes, guys, do visit to that channel and subscribe to this channel also, NCERT 11th and 12th. It is big brother of Vedantu 9th and 10th. So do join in over there, guys. I'll see you there and you can ask me any questions. And guys, yes, you can use this code ARPRO to get extra 50% discount on Vedantu courses. There's 50% discount on Vedantu courses. You can join there. And let's do. What are the advantages of sexual and asexual reproduction? What are the advantages of sexual and asexual reproduction? Guys, very easy question. ठीक है? ये तो हम बचपन से करते आ रहे हैं, ठीक है. सेक्सुअल में 2 पेरेंट्स आर इन्वॉल्व, एसेक्सुअल में 1 पेरेंट इज इन्वॉल्व, है ना बेटा. देन एसेक्सुअल, इट्स गाइस 2 पेरेंट्स 1 पेरेंट्स, गैमीट्स आर फॉर्म्ड, है ना, नो गैमीट इज फॉर्म्ड ओवर हियर, है ना गाइस. देन what else you can write? Gametes are formed, no gametes is formed. Yes. Then sexual reproduction में there is variation exists, है ना, no variation here. There is no variation in case of, yes guys, asexual reproduction, है ना. Then what do you need? Fusion. Gametes बने भी है तो fuse भी होंगे. Then apart from that, what else we can write over here? Yes, we can also write, guys, example of sexual reproduction कहाँ पे होता है? Animals में होता है, fungi में होता है ना, एनिमल्स में होता है, प्लांट्स में होता है. asexual reproduction it happens in, guys, where it happens in bacteria, है ना, fungi, है ना. तो you can write the examples also. Guys, very important. If you do not write the example, it is bad. ठीक है, आप देख सकते हो amoeba. You can write specific examples also. है ना, binary fission in amoeba, है ना. There are different types of asexual reproduction. There is only one type of sexual reproduction. So you can write like that. Yes, guys. तो very easy question, है ना. तो sexual reproduction incorporates, you know, guys, you can read through it, but that is what pretty much the, you know, क्या है, ऐसे लिख देना, it will be much better. Asexual and sexual, if you write in tabular form, you will fetch more marks. And obviously write 5 points, guys. You should have 5 points with you, because it's a very important question. It will definitely come in the exam, है ना. First 1 parent, 2 parent, है ना. Then gametes, है ना. Then you can also write, yes, you can also write types of this thing, examples also you can write, है ना. And yes, guys, so fusion of gametes also happen, variation wala point. So these are the 5 points which you should write. Yes, variation wala point, including the variation wala point. Yes, that is a very simple question, guys. So here's one more question again. What are the functions performed by the testes in human beings? Guys, I have been telling you, emphasize कर रहे पढ़ा हूँ कि please do remember the male and the female reproductive system and their functions of each part. Do remember the male and female reproduction and function of each part. Yes, testis का function क्या है बेटा? टेस्टिस का फंक्शन क्या है? प्रोडक्शन ऑफ गैमीट, प्रोड्यूस गैमीट, दैट इज स्पर्म्स, and testis also produce hormone testosterone, yes guys, which are responsible for secondary sexual characters. Yes, guys. Yes, produce hormone testosterone which are responsible for secondary sexual characters. You can also mention secondary sexual characters क्या हो सकते हैं, guys? Broad shoulders, है ना. Then facial hair, broad shoulders, facial hair. All these are what, guys? All these are secondary sexual characters of male. Similarly, there are secondary sexual characters of the females also, है ना. और ये सब कब दिखने लगते हैं? The secondary sexual characters of male and female are observed during puberty में दिखते हैं, है ना. तो you are supposed to say कि at puberty the hormones are released, male hormone, female hormones are released, and they, what do, guys? it helps in, yes, what does it do? It helps in the secondary sexual character. It helps in differentiating the man and the female from each other. Yes, guys, so this was an amazing question. Then yes, you can write. Guys, please do study the function of, vas deferens का function क्या होता है ना, function of urethra. Similarly, female में the function of ovary, function of fallopian tube, function of uterus, right? Function of cervix, function of vagina. All these things are very important. So guys, today we did question number 4 and 5, 1, 2, 3 हम already कर चुके हैं. Next class में we'll be doing question number 6 and 7. So do keep following us, guys, and yes, do not forget to subscribe to the channel Vedantu 9th and 10th channel. It's an amazing channel, and also guys, there is NCERT class 11th and 12th channel. Obviously you're gonna go into class 11th and 12th after class 10th. So do join in this channel also, guys. You will have lots and lots of fun over there with me, and other amazing teachers also are there. I'll introduce you to all of them. Yes, guys, do let me know in the comment box आपको session कैसा लगा, and you can write to me over here. And keep smiling, keep loving. Bye bye. Have a great day.